What? Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm trying some new products. I got the new Fenty concealer and the new Huda Beauty powder, so I'm excited to try both of those. I actually did a little swatch test of the Fenty yesterday, and I'm definitely curious to see how it looks on my face. And then I also did a little bit of a test of the Huda powder, and I'm curious to see like how it looks with a full face of makeup. That's what we're getting into today. I feel like this year is starting off really strong with new launches and just like, you know, good stuff. Also, I'm gonna have everything linked below. I'm using the LYS concealer, by the way, and this one's in the shade Strength. So we're gonna blend this out. I like to blend my nose first. I was reading the comments on the Fenty concealer on Instagram, and a lot of people were basically saying they were excited because they really did not like the original concealer, like the pro filter. I didn't not like it. I didn't dislike it. I just had other concealers that I preferred, I guess. So I'm definitely curious about this one. It's supposed to be more hydrated. So this here is the PR box. I'm gonna start with the first layer of concealer. So they did send me 3 shades. I'll show you guys what each one looks like. This one is 400N. This is the deepest one that I got, well, number wise, because sometimes the number does not correlate, but this is 400N. It's a neutral shade. This one is 390C, so it's a cool toned shade. This is what that looks like. You can see it's a little different, kind of in the same family, but it's definitely a different undertone. So that's that one. And then I got 385, I believe. This 385W. So this I thought would be like my brightening shade. As you can see, it's definitely like brighter than the other two. So I think I'm gonna start out with this one. We'll start with 400 and then go from there. Okay, so I do like the applicator of this. Is kind of like a curved applicator. Ooh, this feels really good. This definitely feels different than the other Fenty concealer. It's very smooth and like jelly. I think this looks really good so far. By the way, in the Pro Filter foundation, I wear shade 420, and in the Ease Drop, I wear shade 20 for the stick. And for the liquid, I do a mixture of 20 and 21. So those are my Fenty shades. That blended so nicely. I am loving the way this is blending out. This is looking very beautiful. What? This looks pretty good. First of all, this is a very true neutral. It's not leaning any which way. Like, it's neutral. I don't know. I'm kind of liking this. I'm kind of liking this concealer now. I'm gonna have the brushes that I use linked below as well. This is a Sephora foundation brush, but I prefer using it for concealer over foundation. I just feel like with foundation, it doesn't have enough movement for me. I prefer my Makeup Forever, but for concealer, I really like it. I feel like it acts like a sponge for concealer. First layer of concealer, and she's giving flawless. I don't know if flawless is one of the claims that they listed, but this is giving flawless. They did send this booklet that has kind of like the info on it. I want to see the claims. Okay, it says hydrated longwear concealer, your skincare powered hack to hide in and help in dark circles and puffiness. So it does kind of feel like skincare. Like, it has that jelly, almost like skin serum eye cream feel to it. This is the first page. She's so pretty. Okay, then this one says, the next page 2. It says skin loving ingredients target signs of fatigue, medium coverage, natural finish, crease resistant, hydrates and brightens instantly and through 12 hours, continues to improve with consistent use. Available in 50 shades. Okay, you know Rihanna gonna get us 50 shades, okay? 50 shades of skin. Okay, clinically tested to improve brightness. Okay, cool. And then they also included the eye cream with my package, so I guess they're meant to go well together. Based on these claims, I do feel like it's doing what it says it's gonna do. We're gonna add some foundation. I feel like the easy stick would be, I feel like the Fenty stick would be appropriate for today, so I'm gonna use that. This is in the shade 20. Violent. I'm gonna use a brush to blend it. They did send me a sponge, but I haven't used a sponge in so long. I kind of was scared to try it. Put some more around here. These look really good together, by the way. This looks good. This looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna add a second layer of concealer. This time I'm gonna do 385. Yeah, I'm gonna do the 385W. It's gonna add some warmth and also a little bit of brightness. Not that I need too much more brightness, because I feel like 400, since it was so neutral, it did add a ton of brightness on its own. But I still want to try this shade. I do want to try 390 as well, so I think I'm going to use that to carve my brows out, to just define them a little bit. This shade looks good too. Wait a minute. So this is what the concealer is looking like. Personally, I really like it. I think it looks really good. I think it looks so skin-like. Moving on into this powder. This is in Peach Pie. I'm gonna just dip my brush in here. This looks good. Okay, so for this powder, I usually use banana bread, which is like, so this is banana bread here. This is the shade that I used to use. This is the new shade, the Peach Pie. They are very similar, but this one is definitely like more peachy. I feel like that little hint of peach definitely looks really good. This has me thinking, will peach powders be the new pink powders? Because I really like the peach. I think this looks so good. And peach does have color correcting properties, so it's gonna help color correct while brightening and, you know, powdering. So yeah, doing some powder bronzer with my Charlotte Tilbury. We're gonna do a little blush as well. So we're doing Chanel lip gloss. Alright, so I just finished my makeup, and first impressions on the powder, I really enjoy it. I think this is going to replace banana bread for me. I really like the tone. It looks very similar to banana bread, but I really like the peachiness of it. So I'm going to start using this powder. As far as the concealer goes, I wish I had tried 385 under my eye. I feel like the 400 was a little too neutral. Now that I'm finished with my entire makeup, I feel like I should have used 385. So I will try 385 tomorrow when I do my makeup, and I'll have that in my vlog so you guys can see that. But I do love the formula. I think the formula is beautiful. It's just glides on your skin. It's given skincare. It just glides so beautifully. I definitely enjoy both of these products. You will be seeing me use both of these. So that's my first impression of these two products. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Bye.